Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Okay, so we are going to be making the card series number 6. So this one right here. It says, I am so thankful to have you in my life. Friends make everything so much better. Okay, this is going to be for a friend of mine. All right, so let us begin. And by the way, I use the Stamping Bella stamp. Okay, and so we're going to need the paper trimmer and a white piece of cardstock. This is a 12 by 12, and we're going to cut this 5.5 by 8.5 inches. And that way you can make this is the this is actually going to be the card. All right, move that aside. Where's my bone folder? Let's move this over here closer to me, because I'm going to need my bone folder, and I am going to need some tape. Okay, so all right, let's fold this in half. Then you use your bone folder. It helps, okay, to make the crease nice. Okay, there. So let's put that over here. Let's put the card here so you can see the card. All right. Okay, and then we're gonna grab, I'm using some of this pretty brown paper from Close to My Heart. It has leaves on it, very fall. And this we're gonna cut 4 by 5.25. So let's cut it this way because I think I need more paper of this. I'm not sure if I have enough. I'm hoping. So 4 by 5.25. Okay, and that's going to go right on top of that. And then I use green paper. This one right here. Actually, it's the actually no, I use the one with the polka dots. Ooh, hold on a second, guys. I got the wrong one. I have some here on the floor. Okay, see, it's the one with the polka dots. But you could also use the other one, but I think I like this one because it's a little darker. Okay, this one's going to be 2.5 by 4. So let's do the 4 and then the 2.5. And that's going to go like around there. Okay, see? All right, and then we're going to cut the white paper. White paper, and the white paper is going to be 3 3/4. So 3 3/4 by 4 3/4. Oops. 4 3/4. And that's going to go on top of that. Okay, and then I already stamped the little girl. I actually stamped it a couple of times. This one's a little darker. I think I'm going to use the lighter one. That doesn't really matter. Okay, so then she's going to go right on top of there. Now, as you can see, it's white on white. So this is what I did. So you're going to take just some regular paper, doesn't matter. And I'm going to use this brush here by Pink and Maine. And I'm also going to use Cocoa. That's the color. It's a water base. And I'm just going to make it a little darker around her because it's fall. As you can see, I made it a little darker, but I left it, I didn't touch the around her. So I'll show you. So tap, 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 and then always start on the paper and then work your way in. Because if you don't start on the paper, on this paper, on the scrap, you'll get those circles on the paper that You don't want to get those round circles. Sort of blending in. Just making it a little darker. Okay, that's it. And now we're going to color in, and I'm going to use Copic and Spectrum Noir markers. All right, so let me put these together and I'll be right back. Okay, so I already put down the brown paper and also the green paper, and I inked everything. So far I've inked everything. And now this one, we're gonna put some this kind of tape. Double adhesive tape, if I can find. I tell you guys, I put everything nearby and then it's like everything disappears. I don't know why that happens, but it does. Okay, so we're gonna put, I guess, like three of these. Oh, careful with your finger. One right there. It's been a busy day today, guys. Okay, that's a new peel. And always have the card nice and straight. The mat comes in handy. Okay, and then we're gonna put this right here. I think that's the middle. Okay, so you're definitely gonna pop up the white one. This one I did not pop up, so I'm gonna color it in and then I'll be back. Okay, so I already finished coloring her. Now we're gonna pop. Actually, did I pop? No, we're not gonna pop this. We're gonna actually pop the saying or the sentiment. Okay, so we're gonna put some tape on this. But if you want to pop it up, you can. I'm gonna leave her like this because I'm gonna pop the other thing right in the middle. Okay, now we are going to stamp the sentiment. It says, "I am so thankful to have you in my life." So I already have it on the block. I just need a little piece of white paper. You know what? I did not take the measurement for that. Where is my little ruler and my pen? So let's write that down. Let's see. That's 1.5. Actually, we're going to use this paper. Let's not use that one as scrap. This one. So we said 1.5. I love this little ruler, guys. It really comes in handy. By 1. Okay. So let's actually stamp it first. That way we have more room. And we're going to use the black ink. Let's see. I got some around it. Let's see if it works without. And now I'm going to have to clean that. Oh, perfect. Okay, push that all away. Let's get the paper trimmer again. And we said 1.5 by 1. Move that out of the way. Everything is in the way here, guys. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to cut it this way because I should have cut it first, but it's okay. I'm going to eyeball it right around there. And this should be, we said 1.5. Let me get a little bit more. Right there. It's almost 1.5. And then this is going to be, I believe, 1. Yep. But I'm going to make it a little closer. I can actually make it a little smaller. That's interesting. Okay. All right, you can eyeball this. And then I believe I inked it. Yep. And I'm using brown or cocoa. And this we're gonna pop up. And should we use this one? Let's try it. Actually, we're gonna have it like this. So I'm gonna just put on this side, on the right there. Let's see if that works. Because I used the smaller ones on that one, but I think I ran out. Let's see. And you could put this wherever you want. You could put it down here. You could put it here. You could put it here. You could put it up there. I like it here. Okay, so right there. You see? Okay. And let's do the inside. Now the inside is going to be, I use green paper and then the white paper. And the green paper is going to be for, okay, we use the one with the polka dots. Yeah, here it is. So it's 4 by 5.25. Ooh, perfect. Okay, and then the white, this came in handy. Let's see. This one's going to be 5 by 3.75. Perfect. Okay. I don't think we're going to need the paper trimmer anymore. So let's ink this. Remember, you don't have to ink it if you don't want to. I like it because it makes the colors pop out. Or pop up. Yeah. And then, of course, on this one. And remember what I said on the last video, that we should always stamp everything first, but sometimes I forget. So we're going to stamp this one right now, actually. And this one, I'm going to get this little stamp right here. And it says, friends make everything so much better. Get the black ink again. Make sure you have enough ink. It's nice and straight. I think that's good right there. Okay. And where are my leaves? I believe I put a couple of leaves floating. I love this stamp, guys. The one with the leaves. I believe I got this at either Michael's, Duran's, one of those. Okay. And you can make the leaves brown, green, red, yellow, any color. I use brown here. So let me paint that very quickly. I'll color it in. Let's see. I think I use this one. Not that it matters. Yeah. Let's use the light. Actually, yeah, let's use the light. Actually, let me start with the medium first. So I like to do the little, I don't know what you call these, veins. Just in the middle. Okay. And then I'm going to use the lighter color. I tell you guys, I love these markers and the Copic. I like the way they blend the Copic and the Spectrum. I'm sorry, I should have done this earlier. Like I mentioned before, it's been a very busy, crazy day today. But I really enjoy making these cards. And this one's extra special because I'm making this one for a friend. super hot in here today. I have to keep the air conditioner at a certain temperature because of my mom. She gets cold. Okay, there you go. Okay, wrong card. This one. Make sure it's nice and straight. I think that's good. All right, and then this one. Let's just put the tape here. And then we could add stickles or the Nouveau or a shimmer brush or glitter, or you could just leave it alone. Okay, and that's it, guys. Finito. Over here I did add some stickles. So this one is fruit punch, so just add a little bit here just to bring out the flower on her hair, on her head. And then I left everything, but I did add a little bit of sparkle to the pumpkin, and this is orange slice. And this one I'm just gonna do some of the lines. Ooh, that was too much there. I didn't want to do that, but it's okay. I'll just spread it. It's just to add a little sparkle. We all like a little bling. And then what I did was I added, let's see, what's the other one I used? For the leaves, I used cinnamon for the inside of the leaves, and just in the middle also. Ugh, I put too much on this one too. This one a little bit. That's what I wanted. I just wanted to add a little bit and spread it, but that one, I think I add too much in there on that one, on the first one, but it's okay. It's okay. There you go. Of course, I have to not close it because this takes a while. And that's about it, guys. See? Finito. You could, you know, do different decoration, different colors. But that's the card. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye.